Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and I mean say attack. So right about now, viewers and subscribers, before me even start the vlog, people, I just want to say thank you all so much for pouring out your condolences to my good friend Dana who passed away, my people, and that vlog that I've done, people. And I appreciate you all showing your love, showing your respect to her and to her families. So you don't know the thing, go attack, big up on yourself. Well, viewers and subscribers, right about now, people, me I tell you say, boy, some sad news are come to the attacking boss attention now, my people. And only Jah sees and he knows. Well, viewers and subscribers, right about now, a very tragical incident has took place in Jamaica, my people, claiming the life of two men who are popular, you understand, for a lot of people, in a lot of people's eyes. Because these youth now, people, one just 23 and one just 22. But what is behind these two men, people, is that they were promoters for a very popular party that keep in Jamaica called 5150. But now, my people, only Jah sees and he knows, people, because now the two of them dead in a deadly car crash. Jah sees, Jah knows. So I have a little article right now, people, and I just going to read it, you understand, about this thing and give you the exact location where them say it happen, people. And, you know, only thing we can tell the people, boy, only Jah sees and he knows. Kingston, Jamaica. Two men died from injuries they sustained in a car crash in downtown Kingston on Friday. The two victims have been identified as 23-year-old Caribbean Maritime University CMU student Rodney Lyons of Claremont St. Anne, Chaja, and 22-year-old Antonio Garrick, a former CMU student of Portmore St. Catherine. Garrick and Lyons were also promoters of the popular 5150 party. The corporate communication unit confirmed the incident but was not able to immediately provide details on the circumstances that led to the tragedy. Earlier this year, CMU mourned the death of 20-year-old Janelle Martland, a third-year student in the Faculty of Shipping and Logistics who was killed in a crash on Highway 2000. Jah sees, Jah knows, my people. Two young youth gone again, my people. Zane? And we have seen, my viewers and subscribers, how much people has lost their life in Jamaica, my people, on the road in this year called 2021. Zine, so much life gone, my people, and only Jah sees and he knows. My viewers and my subscribers, the last upload that I did covering a story on an accident, my people, I talked to my fellow Jamaicans and to my fellow people around the world and in the Caribbean. And I beg you all, say, look at the man, cut down on the speed. Speed kills. I say, when you drive, just be careful, you understand? Just do the right protocols and follow whatever them telling you to do. You know what I mean? Because a lot of time people just not adhere to the thing that what them said. You know what I mean? Well, if we follow the guidelines and thing, and if we do really follow them, you know, people, we're not going to say we are going to really follow them 100, you know. But if we do follow them, people, honestly, we have a better chance of making it on these roads. These deadly roads, my people. And it just so sad for no one say, yo, two you just gone like that. Oh my pearl, oh my precious NEWLINK. All I can say, my people, to my fellow people in St. Anne right now in Claremont who is mourning, and to my fellow people in St. Catherine who is mourning the loss of these two, and for everyone who attended this party, this popular party, people, what them call 5150, I know so now mourn right now. I know so now go through a lot. But all I can say is, yo, only Jah sees and he knows. See, it's not nice to lose a loved ones, especially in times like now, people, when we are going through so much things. You understand? But as in this article, people, I never get the full details on this accident. Were they intoxicated? Were they coming from a party? Because most of the time, people, we always hear the story. They were coming from a party and this and that happened. And sadly, you know what I mean, accident occurred and 2 life gone. Which I didn't get no information, you know what I mean, on that, my people. But all me can tell the youth, them at Jamaica say, I know say una love speed up the car them. I know say nice rev them out and burn it up and But look here, remember una life. Zine? Remember una 3 points. Zine? I know say a lot of man drive, them drive to impress, them drive to do this and them drive to do that. But look here, remember, be careful out there. Zine? Because, yo, the road is terrible, you know. It's really terrible and and them are iron. So no matter what a man would think, say, him do to himself and him do to this and him do to that. When them something knock up people and that's it. See? And it comes and claim a life. Only Jah sees and he knows. So, my viewers and my subscribers, 2 youth gone, 2 life. See? And for everyone who attend the party, as I said before, all the family and friends of these 2 youth, I deeply send out my condolences to you all because I know say, when I mourn, when I go through a lot. When you know what I mean? If you know say 2 young youth just gone. 22, 23, basically, they were best friends, but only Jah sees and he knows. Big up on yourself, my people. More love, more respect, or more blessings. Just do the right thing. You understand? Because what we just say, it's not a easy road. Remember to do like, do share, and do subscribe. And follow me on Instagram, and Facebook, and Twitter. NEWLINK Production. More love, my people. More respect, and more blessings. And just do the right thing. Peace out. Fully attack.